Okay. Good evening, everybody. I am taking a class in Photoshop regarding how to create emboss effect for a given picture into the shape in Photoshop. Okay. My name is Rizwan. I am computer faculty of Microsoft Computer Center, Tumkur. Okay. Now this Photoshop application is open. I'll open one picture. I'll go to File, Open. Now open whichever picture you want to open it. Okay. Now suppose I'll select one picture. Okay. Then what you do? You remove this background, unlock the background. Then what you do? Then you select the shape, drag the shape into the picture. Okay, drag the shape into the picture. Okay, then what you do here, after dragging the shape, if you want to bring the picture onto the shape, you drag the layer to the top of the layer. Then if you want to bring the picture into the shape, you use Alt and left click, Alt plus left click. The picture has come to the shape. Now what you do, if you want to fix it to the shape, you go to layer, then you go to merge visible, then you go to merge visible. Now what I do, if you want to create one emboss effect, you go to layer, then you go to an option called layer style, then you go to emboss, bevel and emboss, bevel and emboss. Then what you do, here you select an option called emboss, here you select an option called chisel height. Okay, in this down, if you want, you can increase the depth here. Okay, how much you want, you can increase size. Okay, then what you do, you can give the whichever angle, how much of angle you want, you can select here. Okay, then what you do, here also you can select this is called counter, whichever counter you want you can select. Okay, according to the requirement. Followed. Then what you do, here you select color, which color you want to select it. Followed. And then you go to the one more option is there, mode. Suppose if I say yellow color. Okay, and how much you want opacity you can drag. Followed like this. Then you click on OK. Now this is for creating embossing effect for a given picture. If you want one more effect, one more picture, you press Alt and left click. This will create duplicate copies of the same picture. And again, if you say one more, Alt and left click. So that how many copies you want, you can keep on creating. This is for creating emboss effect for a given shape into the picture. Okay, thank you.